What is up, guys? High Pitch Freak Nick here, coming at you with a new video. Today I'm doing another burping video as requested by a few of my fans that apparently really like them. So I'm going to do the usual. I'm going to try to do my big burps, my speed burps, and you all know what happens at pretty much all the end of my burping videos, my signature sign off. So here we go. We'll start with the big burps. Okay. I don't want to throw up. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always,
like, comment, and subscribe.
catch you guys next time.